Hello friends, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I am going to explain the topic about various RPM commands in Linux with examples. In this article, I am going to explain the RPM commands with various examples. This tool is used to allow the system administrators and user to install, update, uninstall and as well as query, verify and manage system software packages in Linux operating systems. The utility that works only with the packages which build on .rpm format. Features of RPM. RPM is required to install packages under Linux systems. RPM deals only with .rpm files that contains the actual information. RPM is free which is released under GPL. RPM keeps the installed package information under /var/lib/rpm database. Basic modes for RPM commands. They are verify, query, install, remove, upgrade. Verify to query about different RPM packages. Query mode for the verification of any RPM packages. Install mode to install any RPM packages. Remove to erase, remove or uninstall any RPM packages. Upgrade to update the existing RPM packages. Next, we see the RPM commands with various examples. The first RPM command is RPM space hyphen check signature space under the package name. Here the package name is Here the package is 64-bit.rpm package. Now hit enter. This command is used to always check the PGP signature of package before installing them on your Linux system and make sure its integrity and version is okay. The next command is rpm space hyphen ivh space and the package name. This command is used to install the rpm package. Now enter to install. Now the package is installed successfully. The next command is rpm space hyphen q space and the package name. This command is used to check whether the package is installed or not by using the -q option. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -ql space and the package name. This command is used to view all the files of uninstalled rpm packages. Use the -ql option with rpm command. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -qi space and the package name. This command is used to query information of installed RPM package by using the -qi option. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -qa space last. This command is used to list recently installed RPM packages by using the -qa option. Now enter. Now we see the output of recently installed RPM packages. The next command is rpm space -qa. This command is used to list all installed RPM packages by using the -qa option. Here QA is query all. Now enter. The next command is rpm space hyphen capital U VH space and the package name. This command is used to upgrade a RPM package by using the -u option. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -ev space and the package name. This command is used to uninstall an RPM package by using the -e option to use it to remove the package. Here -e is erase option to use it to remove the package. Now enter. The next command is rpm space hyphen qp capital R space and the package name. This command is used to check dependencies of RPM package before installing by using the option of -q p r. Now enter to view. The next command is rpm space -ivh space -- no dependencies space and the package name. This command is used to install a RPM package without dependencies. Now enter. The next command is RPM space -ev space hyphen no dependencies space and the package name. This command is used to remove an RPM package without dependencies. Now enter. The next command is RPM space -qf space /user/bin/ht password. Now enter. This command is used to query a file that belongs which RPM package. Here -qf is query file option will show you a file /user/bin/ht password is owned by the package httpd-tools. The next command is rpm space -qip space and the package name. This command is used to get information of RPM package before installing by using the option of -qip. Here -qip is query information package. It will print the information of package. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -qdf space /user/bin/vmstat. This command is used to get the list of available document of an installed package with the option -qdf. It will display the manual page related to the vmstat package. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -V space and the package name. This command is used to verify a RPM package before installing by using the option of -v. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -V a. This command is used to verify all RPM packages by using the option is -v a. Now enter. This RPM command takes long time to verify the all installed packages, so I can cut this process and move to next command. The next command is rpm space -import space /etc/rpm-gpg/rpm-gpg-key-CentOS-6. This command is used to import an RPM GPG key. Now enter. The next command is rpm space -qa space gpg -pub key public key *. This command is used to list all imported RPM GPG keys. Now enter. These are the various RPM commands in Linux with examples. Thank you.